it going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, welcome back to class, students. So I just wanted to follow up on last week, what our homework was. And I had asked you guys, we did our writing activity, and I wanted to ask how writing in a journal has been going.
Good. I've written every day.
So as we apply the things that we've learned, hopefully we can use what we learned today as well. We're going to be learning about commonly misused words in English that even native English speakers can really be confused on and not understand. So these are the words that we're gonna go over right here. We have a few. These are ones that I struggle with still. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just go over their meaning real quick and kind of check for understanding. If you don't know, that's totally okay. We're gonna go over it, and then we're going to do a little activity for it. So we'll look at these right here. Okay. So the first one, there's the first little category we want to do is the different types of theirs. Does anybody know what any of these mean, these type of theirs?
One means over there.
Over there? Yes,
Yeah.
That's this one right here. This one.
No.
Nope, this one. Over there is this one. See, I struggle with this too. So Emily, do you know either of these two?
I think the top one is like they are.
Yes, so they apostrophe R-E means they are. So like they're going to the movies. They are going to the movies. There. This there means it's their movie. It belongs to them. So this is like possessive. This is they are something. And then there is like you said over there, way over there. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The next one, effect and effect. This one I always struggle with. You guys know the difference between those two?
No.
Okay, so one is a noun and one is a verb that I like to think of. So to affect someone is with an A. You're verbing them. You're affecting them. But when you leave and you're no longer with them, you've had an effect on them. So that's the difference. One's a noun. You have an effect on someone. And then this one, you're affecting them. So like he affected me because he taught me to be a good person. He had an effect on me, if that makes sense. So, does any questions about those two?
How do you remember which one's a verb and which one's a noun?
That is a good question. So, I think of effect like when I'm on the computer and there's different effects. Like I want to have a different background. That would be under like effects or something like that. And so you're changing it. It's a noun. It's an effect.
Oh, okay.
So I always think of that. Okay, that was a good question. Anything else? Okay, this one, accept, and I think they're said the same. Accept and accept.
Yeah.
Do you guys know the difference between these two?
Maybe.
Okay, so this one is to accept a gift.
Which one is?
This one.
Okay.
The first one is I accept a gift. This one is I like everyone except for you. Terrible example, but you get what I mean. So, a lot of our activity is going to be learning the difference between the two, which definition goes with which one, because it can be really hard to tell sometimes. So do you guys understand that one?
Yes.
Okay, this one. Breathe and breath. You guys know, can somebody explain the difference of those two?
Like breathe is like putting air into your lungs and then breathing it out.
Breathing. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Emily, do you want to have anything to add?
Isn't one a verb and one a noun?
One is a verb and one is a noun. So to take a breath. To take a breath is a noun, or to breathe, like you explained. Good. So bear and bear.
One is an animal.
Good. The other one is to bear children.
Then how about like a bare hand?
Bare hand?
Yeah.
Oh, that one would be too true, huh? So bare hand, bear. That's a good one. I don't know any examples off the top of my head, but okay. The next one, advice and advise. So kind of the patterns we're going on. One is a
noun, one's
and
a
the other
verb.
one's a verb. Okay, so which one's a noun?
Advise is not the noun. Advise is the verb.
Advise is the verb.
Advice is the noun.
Perfect. So you give advice, or you get advice, a noun, or you advise someone. You're verbing. You're helping someone out. Okay, belief and believe. Same pattern, right?
Mm-hmm.
So which one's the noun?
Belief.
Belief, to have a belief. And then believe. Somebody have a sentence for believe?
I believe in the gospel.
Good. I believe. You're verbing. Good. Okay. Last few. Your and your.
Is that like there and there? Like the other two theirs?
Mm-hmm. It's a conjunction.
Mm-hmm.
So your would be like, I like your hair. Your is a combination of what two words?
You are.
You are. So you're pretty. You are pretty. Okay. Allowed and allowed. Do you understand that difference?
Mm-hmm. One's like saying, like you're speak aloud, like speak out loud, right?
What's the other one? Exactly.
Permission.
Permission. That's a good one. That's a good synonym. I'm not allowed in that classroom or whatnot. Okay, good. Last one. Bored and bored.
That one's game board.
Yes, like a board, like you play a game. Perfect. And
Like I'm bored,
I'm
right?
super bored. Very good. I hope this lesson isn't boring. Just kidding. Okay, so the activity that we're going to do today is we're just going to create flashcards and we're going to test each other on them. So I have these up, and what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you guys write the word on one side. And if it's a noun, I want you to draw the picture on the back. And if it's not, then you can just write the definition. So we'll go off of these. Try and stick to, you guys can, I think I've made enough cards. So here you go.
Okay.
Here's a pencil. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. We need another pencil.
I do need it right here.
Okay. So which ones? How about you do those ones over there and I'll do these ones over here.
Okay.
Okay.
So we draw the picture for the noun.
Mm-hmm.
What if like they are, like there and your? What would we do for those? Like you are. Can you just draw a pretty girl?
Mm-hmm. Or if it's easier, why don't you write a sentence?
Okay.
Anything that'll help you realize what the word means, what's the difference are.
Okay, so bored is an adjective, it's not a noun. So should I just define it?
Bored is an adjective, like I'm bored.
Yeah.
You can draw somebody that's like sleeping, or you can write a sentence with bored, whichever you prefer.
Oh, I should have moved the other way. Oh.
Oh no, this is really ugly. That's close enough. You were copying me. That's mean.
They are really mean to me. Nice.
Yeah, so I don't forget. Oh, dang it.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. It's the story of my life. you?
Your.
Did you go up?
Yes.
Oh.
Pictures take a lot of time.
But no, I have to short sentences. They're a lot easier to come up with.
So since we're getting kind of close on time, while you guys are finishing up, why is it important that we learn these sometimes confusing words?
Because sometimes they have different meanings in the sentences.
Mm-hmm.
Like in Spanish, you have como and como.
Two different
on how
meanings.
you say it.
Absolutely.
And eat and like.
That's true. Yo como mi abuelo.
Don't eat her. What word are you on?
I'm on like set.
So you haven't done the middle ones?
No.
I'm gonna do bear. Which one? The bear? The animal?
Draw a good one.
I don't know how. Grr. Oh gosh, it's gonna look like a pig.
It's okay, just draw one. I don't know how to help you.
How do you draw a bear nose?
Draw a circle, a big circle.
Grr.
And your homework for this week is I want you guys to take these home and go over them. And we're going to talk about them next time as well, just to review.
Bear.
Okay.
You guys done?
Almost.
Okay.
Is magic spelled with a G or a J?
A G.
Yep, that looks right. Alright. I'm done. We'll probably because there's no more cards left.
All right, so I want you to each go through your pile and pick one that you think would be the most difficult, and I want you guys to quiz each other on it. And then after that, we'll wrap up.
Oops. I think this one.
Okay, go ahead and ask her, Jessie.
Alright. Affect.
Why'd you pick that one?
Because I struggle too.
Okay, so that's the verb version.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So that's like you're affecting me right now.
Yeah. That's what I wrote. I affected your life.
Oh my goodness, good job.
Thank you. Wait, this one. What's this one?
Your. You are.
Yeah, okay. So I used you are beautiful.
Good job. Okay, so we know that we can apply this because when we speak, we need to be able to understand the differences. Most of these are pretty common, especially the your and the theirs. So it's good to know the difference. So go ahead and take these home and practice with each other, practice with your family and stuff. And the flashcard way is a good way to learn new words to remember. I like the picture idea because I'm kind of a visual learner. So if you're better with sentences, then go ahead and use the sentences. But if you like pictures, do that. So will you guys all do that?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Okay, that's it for today.